it would be Mike. So good evening team. Thanks for this. Whatever you did now, I'm completely speechless, but the idea here is to connect all like-minded people to create a platform where we can deliver something good to people, to society, to anyone who is associated. So you all are that energy which we are connecting to deliver something good to society, to people. So basically this appreciation is for you all deserve it, it's not me. And team, I would just take your 5 more minutes. I've been an avid reader, and I've been reading since past 1 month what all disruptions are going on in the market. You understand, disruption, coming out of something and creating something different, trying something new. So these disruptions are going on in the market. If you have seen Snapdeal, it is being sold to Flipkart. All of you are aware? So if you would see, Snapdeal and Flipkart both started the journey almost at the same time. Both the companies did many things to excel in what they are doing. They tried many things. Flipkart did one revolutionary thing when they shifted only to mobile for some time, but they discontinued it. But at least they tried. It was a big risk taken by Flipkart when they shifted to only mobile, because still in India more of browsing happens as compared to mobile. But yes, they tried. They come out of their shell and they tried something new, and then they evaluated and again they moved back to mobile plus browsing. So I mean to say, both the companies are trying their level best to evolve, to compete, to create something. But there was one big guy sitting at the top. Who is it? Amazon. They were more responsive towards client need. They were more evolving themselves. Like they started delivery through drone. They started cloud computing. They started data analytics in a big way when Flipkart and the likes of Flipkart and Snapdeal was not doing it. So now the scenario in the market currently is there is one Amazon here, and now we have Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, Jabong, eBay, you name it. There are, if you merge those 15 companies, they cumulative are fighting with Amazon. So now my point here is, what do you want to become? You want to be in a pole position where you become like an Amazon where 15 companies are fighting with you, or you want to be just a company who is creating its own space and fighting with each other? What is our idea? Guys?
Be at the Amazon place.
Yeah?
Be at the Amazon place.
All of you agree on this? When some people are saying Amazon, I am not hearing every other voice in this. What are we aiming for?
Amazon.
Still some are not convinced. Are you exhausted? You should not. What are we aiming for? We are aiming to become like Amazon. So for this, we have to accept challenge. We have to evolve ourselves. Like, we have to bring in change in ourselves. We have to start thinking what I am doing, what value I am adding, and what I can be. And to start with, we have a simple mantra which would give us immense dimension to look upon how to improve ourselves when we start looking at customer first approach. So currently every other person standing here is planning how to achieve his target, how to bring in more payment. But with this, if you think how to achieve the maximum client satisfaction score, we are done. all other companies who are vying for payments or for some kind of market share, they just keep on fighting with any other company in the market, but we would stand out once we think that yes, we have to delight our customer in a good way, in a correct way, following all compliance practices. When every other person in the research start thinking that I have to deliver the best research to every client out there and to the population at large. When every person at e-marketing starts thinking how to portray a good image of Epic in the market, when every team member of the quality thinks that every call which has been made should be a quality call, 10 out of 10 rating. This is what you have, 10 is the perfect score for you? 100. So multiplied by 10, 100 is the best score. When every sales people standing here thinks that I have to deliver the best service which client asked for, the sales would automatically start pouring in. And believe me, we are making every effort to make ourselves more evolved towards clients' need, to make ourselves more adaptable to what is going on in the market. But alone 3, 4 or 10 or your RM or your AM can't do it. We need support from every one of you. Everyone is standing out here. So have that focus that we just do not want to be any other company which is there in the market, and see how we can change ourselves, change our thought, change our mindset, change our will, change our determination to be what we want to be. So I am very sure the way we have been developing ourselves, we definitely don't want to be the likes of 15 companies fighting for a market share. We want to create our own market and be on the top. So guys, are you with me to be an Amazon? Yes. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate all the achievers and the effort makers, and also to those people who were unable to make last month, but it's okay, you tried it. Now you know your areas of improvement so that you can make up next month, right? We keep on congratulating each other. There is one very important person who has bring this idea and the vision. We really need to congratulate that person. Yes, I am talking about none other than our respected CEO, Mr. Mustafa Nadeem sir. So, on the behalf of entire Epic family, we would like to congratulate you for bringing this idea and bringing this vision. So, let's congratulate Nadeem sir in his own style. We'll try to do it. You all need to stand up first for that. It's a very simple task. I'll be saying 1, 2, 3. After go. Don't say on 3. When I say go, you need to say simple, congratulations sir. Try to match up his powerhouse energy. He always keep on saying that he takes energy from all of us. So it's our time to give him that energy and that, that support that we are with him. And yes, so shall I start? There will be no retake for this. So you need to give your best in first take, right? So I'm starting. All set? All ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you so much. Also, I would like to make a very important announcement which will definitely bring a smile on your face. Let me tell you the origin of this idea. Last month after RNR, we were doing the discussion that we all are blessed with talents and skills. Few people are good in poetry, few are good in music, few are good in dance. So why not to exchange this talent? I mean, whenever we connect to our roots, we always feel happy. So let's create a platform where we can exchange our skills. Many what are their talents. Many people are still trying to explore. So it is not necessary that I am good in music so I can join the music community. If I have an interest in music, I can always go to that community. We'll be shortly sharing the process note of it, maybe in a day or two. There is no formal things. It's completely informal. During office hour in a week, we'll try to conduct it and we'll do it in a best way so that we all will get motivated. And this is a way when we will connect to our roots, it's easy for us to achieve our goals, right? So it will be totally informal, where we can dance, where we can sing a song, where we can share a poetry. So it's a common platform. Now how to go ahead, maybe by Wednesday, you'll be receiving an email from HR side. So we'll be starting this month so that we can share the joy in the next R&R. Alright? Thank you so much. You guys are already feeling very hot. I have taken much of your time. So, feeling good to talk to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. But I feel मेरी निगाहों के इशारों को सहारे दे, दिल को ठिकाने दे, नए बहाने दे, ख्वाबों की बारिशों को मौसम के पैमाने दे, अपने करम की करदाएं कर ले इधर भी तो निगाहें, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं। कर दिया तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया, जाने क्या होगा क्या पता, इस पल को मिलके आ जाइए जरा, मैं हूँ यहाँ तू है यहाँ, मेरी बाहों में आ भी जा, मैं जाने ये वार दूं, हर जीत भी हार दूं, कीमत हो कोई तुझे बेइंतहा प्यार दूं, मैं जाने ये वार दूं, हर जीत भी हार दूं, कीमत हो कोई तुझे बेइंतहा प्यार दूं, सारी हदें मेरी अब मैंने तोड़ दी, देखकर मुझे पता, आवारगी बन गए, हाथी बन गए, पानी बन गए, तुम मेरे आसमां, मेरी ज़मीन बन गए, ओ हाँ, रात नशीली मस्त समा है, आज नशे में सारा जहां है, रात नशीली मस्त समा है, आज नशे में सारा जहां है, हाय शराबी मौसम बहकाए, रूप तेरा अफसाना, प्यार मेरा
see, this performance, I want to dedicate this performance to my team members. All the team members, they have worked so hard. Even in the, I would like to say, they were waiting till 8:30, till the time the deals get closed. So, hats off to you guys. You have, this is ultimately you. Alright, and for the coming batches, I would just like to tell you one thing, that is, you will be always remain in two mindset, whether it will be going to happen or not. So it depends on you which part you want to lead. So choose your choices in front of you. You can choose it and you can achieve it. Thank you so much.